Yeah, this man over here talking too much, man. I don't even know what he doing over here, bro.
Son, you about to start.
Yeah, this man tripping, bro.
Man, son.
Hello?
What now?
Son, so you gonna unplug my game like that?
Son, no. I was trying to.
No, like for real talk, you gonna.
Yes, see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Besides, snow is falling and friends are calling you.
Man, what am YouTube? It's your boy Regtoofunny. Now let's be honest. You already know when I start my videos off, it's a banger. When I started off, you know it's a banger. You don't even gotta think. You don't even gotta do no homework about it. You don't even gotta read about it. You know it's about to be a banger. Hold your arm up like a grown man or woman if you watching this video. Let's just start it off right. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson in a muscular fashion. You know how that man get holding his arm. Arm clearly muscular. Clearly got buku width in his shoulder. Buku veins in his arm. Now that we got that out the way, I got a very special video for y'all today. I'm about to unplug that boy Runiktv PS5 while he playing the game. I know, I'm not a good guy. Let's get that out the way. I already been established it, but still we could get it out the way again. I'm not a good guy. He about to be playing his PS5 and he just got it. Ain't been taking no breaks, no slacking. Can you give it up? But look, I'm about to unplug it while he playing it. I'm knowing he about to be showing buku signs of angry emotions. He not finna be feeling good about it. Man, he probably might try to scuff, but I ain't tripping. This ain't my first encounter with a Guatemala. I mean, whatever that man is. But look, stay tuned, it's about to be a banger.
Man, they always hacking on here, son. I'm not. Dude, what is that?
Nobody hacking. You're
son,
just,
when they put cars in this game?
son, nobody hacking. You're just not good.
No, son, it ain't what you think it is, son. Fortnite changed after the PS5. That's what I hate about these games, dog.
Son, they
Real talk, man.
It did change, but saying you in squads, not even going with your teammates.
No, you gotta think about it, son. When they start making robots, I'm gonna replace my girlfriend. Real talk, son.
Replace your girlfriend. So
Yeah.
what you gonna be having sex with electrical wires?
Hell yeah!
Man!
Boy, you ain't see that, dude. So you ain't been seeing these robots in 2020.
Man, I'm just gonna call you Will Smith because you like iRobots.
Bruh, I'm trying to tell you what it is, bro.
But saying you in squads and you're not even by your teammates. You running
son,
alone.
I'm trying to kill somebody. You trip. Hey, come on, you distracting me,
Might be,
dog.
but you are alone.
Come on, man.
Aloof. Solo.
Son, you doing too much.
I ain't
Come on,
gonna
chill
lie,
out,
son.
man.
Son, you do be on the game all day.
Alright,
son.
man, let me do me.
Like, you gotta
there they go, there they go.
Son.
Ooh, where you at?
Man,
I got that iron on me.
This man about to smash you.
Ooh, son,
I'ma
you
be
talking,
quiet.
you
I'ma let
distracted
concentrate.
me, man.
I'ma let you concentrate.
Son, you acting like I'm not good.
Yeah, you got smashed.
You got I'm hacker. I'm tired of this game,
You
man.
got smashed. I'm
That's
just
because you
being honest.
talking, man.
Alright, come on, go ahead.
You talking too loud, son.
Son,
Damn.
go again. If you get smashed this time, son, give it up.
Alright,
it's
bro.
not for you.
Bro,
Let's be
come
clear.
on, man. Be cool, bro. With
Alright.
the nasty ass braids, bro.
So I clearly
You
got
think you
dread.
got-
Sit your little El Juve Chafo nose.
So you got them backwoods in your head, bro. You need to cut them out, bro. I don't know what it is.
Nigga, didn't you get fired from Taco Bell yesterday?
Say, bro, come on, chill out.
Come
man.
on now.
I was working at Brothers, man.
Put too
Chill
much
out.
brothers.
Yeah,
So got fired for putting guacamole on the chicken.
bro.
Ah!
Alright, bro. Alright, let me play, bro. Damn.
Alright, son, might be. It's 23-7.
Alright, be
Y'all
cool,
get
bro.
smashed.
I'm trying to
But
find the
son,
killers,
do you
man.
ever get out the game? I know the PS5.
Yeah.
I know the PS5 just came out. Son.
Ooh, there you go. There you go.
Son.
Shoot them up.
I know the PS5 just came out, son, but you got it. Son.
Man, come on, son. Be cool, son.
You
Where
gotta
he
get
at?
it.
Where he at? Where he at? I'm building. I'm building.
You gotta
I'm
get
building.
this
Where my
bit.
headset?
You gotta get this bit of that breaker.
Hey, I'm building. I'm building. Yeah, yeah. He on top. He on top. Bet. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Son, you not,
Let's get it.
son, you not even going towards the person you supposed
Son,
to kill.
I'm on top. Where they at? Oh, I see him. I see him. Yup. That's him. That's him.
Son, this is getting pretty.
Son, you is making me nervous.
Son.
Sit your
Son,
ass
let me see
down.
the controller right.
No, I'm just saying, son.
Son,
Get
let me hold it.
No.
You don't know what you doing.
Son, I ain't died
Son,
yet.
let me get a try.
I did.
Son, you about to, you got
Son,
some-
you let me.
Son, you
No,
got
I gotta
son.
play again, son. That's you tripping, bro.
You got it.
Man, chill out, dog.
You gotta play
chill
the game
out.
because you got smashed.
All right, bro, chill out. You doing too much, man. Damn, bro, you about to go home, bro. You doing all that, man.
You got smashed again.
Man, you about to go home. You doing too much.
Man.
Real talk, bro.
Might be.
Come on, man. I don't do this when you play, bro.
Might be. Let me watch you. Let me watch you this time and see if you get smashed while I'm being quiet as a bitch.
Son, when you play 2K, what I do?
Saying you be
I
cool.
sit there and watch you lose,
right, son,
bro.
I'm gonna just let you do your thing. I'm about to let you go
Come on,
dumb.
man.
You finna go Duffy. We about to see.
You talking about Stephen Curry, man. Stephen Curry can't even do this.
Saying. You on Fortnite. This not even basketball.
Okay.
How is Steph Curry gonna hang off a glider and switch to a pickaxe?
Son, you acting like I can't. Son, you just.
Man, son.
I'm dying because of you.
Son, I ain't gonna stand. You stayed against smash, son. I don't even know why I'm over here, son.
Bro, chill out.
How long you had
bro.
your PS5?
Come on, you don't do this to nobody else, man.
When you got your PS5?
Bro, I got it the day it came out. Where he at? Where he at?
You just got this bit a couple seconds.
Ooh!
You just got this bit a couple seconds ago, huh?
Bruh!
I don't know, son.
Come on, man. You doing too much, man.
27 to 52, guys.
Alright, man. 2020, bro. I'm trying to turn up, man.
You ain't get off this.
What Lil Uzi said?
Son.
All my friends are dead. All my friends are dead.
Yes.
Okay, so shut the hell
And
up.
I'm witnessing. You're dying right now. You're dying right now. Clearly.
Your breath smell like a dead raccoon, bro.
And your breath smell like la cha cha. So what's the difference here?
Bro, your goddamn braids look like whoa.
Son, your teeth could look like buku niggas that's getting shot by something. Whoa! Teeth ass.
Say, bro. Alright, bro. I don't get it, bro. I don't get it.
Cause like basically saying buku in your teeth like falling back and leaning forward. And, you know buku niggas when
no,
they get
don't.
shot.
I don't.
Just try to get a kill, saying, cause you be playing a game too much to not be killing niggas, saying. Nigga, a whole game head out shit.
All right, man. You
get
do
a game
too much,
break.
man. I could game all I want,
Nigga,
bro.
don't give a game a break, saying.
Okay.
Saying, I see why your old lady probably straight cheating on you now, saying.
Bro, if she do cheat on me, I don't care. I be cheating on her anyway.
I know, humping the PS5.
You goddamn right.
This man, kill this, saying.
I ain't gonna lie. I think I miss my Xbox 360. Like, you remember how they used to have the controllers all big and stuff?
Man, I think you need to go back.
No, I'm just saying, like, saying, I don't know, saying this PS4 kind of weird on some stuff.
I think you need to go.
Like
PS4, it's a PS5. That's probably why you so
you
excited.
ain't lying.
You don't even know which console you on.
Damn.
Son, I ain't gonna lie.
Say, bro, I was playing, but chill out now. Real talk. I'm trying to play, bro.
If you don't get a kill right here, I might have to lose my mind in front of my peer.
Alright, let's get it.
I ain't gonna say nothing. I'm just
Where
gonna
they
show
at,
you.
bro?
I'm just gonna show you buku signs of emotions that I'm unhappy with your playing. Not even gonna say
Hey,
that.
come on, bro. You sound like a goddamn storyteller or something, bro. According to the news today, it will rain. Ugly ass boy.
Got smashed again. What's new? To say those, and I ain't gonna say. What if somebody straight, man? What if somebody was to like just like?
There he go.
Say,
There he go.
Say, you
There he
well
go.
quit the game.
There he go. What you?
Oh, he
Yeah.
finally got a kill.
Damn.
And then got smashed right after.
All right, bro. You about to get smashed too, bro. You keep talking, man. Chill out, bro.
Freaky deekily Guatemalan. This
Hey,
man.
look, my girl. That's my girl
Say-
name for me, boy.
Say-
Yeah.
say-
I'm freaky deaky to my girl.
Man, I'ma just call you El Jefe for short. But look though, man, how many games you got, son? You might as well quit, son.
Man, I got the
You
PC.
might-
What you trying to play later?
Man, I'm trying to get out the game, son.
Man, no, man.
Like, I'm tired of watching you play.
Man,
Man, you
chill
don't get tired of this? son?
No, I don't,
You
son.
gotta, son, you gotta
I
do
don't.
something.
I don't. This is what I love doing, bro.
I ain't.
So what you saying?
I'm saying I don't love watching you play what you love
Son,
doing.
I love playing what I play with, bro. If you don't like it, do something about it then, bro.
Man,
You tripping and stuff, man.
I already stopped eating tacos and burritos.
Okay, if you don't like what I play, then go play with your feelings, because I'm not the one, baby.
Man,
All right?
I'ma show you.
All right, then. Go
I'ma
play with
show
somebody
you.
else, man.
I'ma show
Go play
you.
with Kanika Buddha or something, man. You tripping, bro.
This man.
You want to do the most every time I get on the game, son.
Play with Kanika
Real talk,
booty.
bro.
Son, Kanika probably could have the controller by her booty and still get more kills than you.
Son, Kanika Booty probably got so many bodies on it. Come on, man. You
Man,
tripping,
I
bro.
don't know nothing about none of that, son.
Man, you one of them, so you should know.
Man, I ain't nobody on that, son. Why you trying to do me like
Man,
this,
I'm
son?
not
Why
doing you like that.
really
I'm
lying
calling
like
how I
this?
see it, son.
How you, nigga, this is what you perceive.
Okay.
This ain't even facts. Nigga,
Man, chill out.
you basically just saying random things.
Look, I can say random things at a random time. That's cool.
But say what I'm saying, you just need to quit, son.
All right, the game over with, bro. I'm about to start up. Yeah, y'all ready up? Ready up? Let's get it.
You about to
Yes,
start
sir.
another game, son?
Yes, sir. Ready up, ready up, ready up. Yeah, this man over here talking too much, man. I don't even know what he doing over here, bro.
Son, you about to start.
Yeah, this man tripping, bro.
Man,
hello? Bro.
Man,
hello?
What else?
Son, so you gonna unplug my game like that?
Son, no, I was trying to.
No, like for real talk, you gonna unplug my game like that, son?
Else.
No, son, why you unplug my game, son?
Son, I was trying to unplug your router because I thought you was lagging hard as a bitch.
Son, this ain't my router.
Son, I was trying to fix your.
This is my PS5. You don't.
Your internet connection was.
Man, move, man. Don't touch me, dog.
Son, your internet.
Hey, don't touch me, man.
Your internet.
No, real talk, you about to get slapped, dog.
Son, for what?
You unplug my game, bro.
So you about to slap me? A black guy getting slapped by a Mexican. Nigga, this ain't not your lead break.
So I'm not playing with you, son.
Alright, son, my bad.
You just unplugged my game, dog.
So all you gotta do is plug it back up and start up another game.
Come on, you tripping, dog. You really getting disrespect.
Son.
Hey, no, what hood you from, dog?
Son.
Real talk.
Son, you know
you wanna get disrespectful?
You know I'm from that out, son.
See, I ain't have time 5 minutes ago, but right now I got time, cuz. I got time, cuz.
Time to make more burritos?
No, for real. You playing with me, dog.
Time to go get more sauce?
You disrespecting me, man.
Time for you to plug that
plug
game
it
back
up. Plug it up.
Man.
Plug it up.
Man, you gonna be waiting for days for me.
Man, you better plug it up, man.
Alright, son.
Real talk.
Plug it up.
Real talk.
Plug it up, son.
If I show you what it is.
Let me just turn that bitch sideways. You thought I was about to plug it up. I'm clearly just readjusting it to make you.
Son, get out, son.
Right, son,
get out, son. No, like real talk. Get out. Get out, dog. Real talk before I show you, dog.
Son, I put it back up.
Hey, I'm not playing, son.
Son, you can plug it back up now. You can plug it back up now, son. You gonna scuff over
son,
nigga unplug
you
your
turned
game.
my game out. I was trying to play, son. You been sitting here annoying me for 10 minutes, man.
Son, we was talking for buku long. How was it annoying? But look though, son, I put it back up. You can just plug it back in, son.
Man, son, you finna move around, dog. Real talk, you with that weird stuff again, dog.
No, huh?
No, what is you with, dog?
No, huh?
Real talk, who you playing
son,
with?
Son, you act like this was for real though, son. You act like I'm just being a hateful guy. You act like I'm not a good guy.
Are you?
Son, I am. It's just a prank, son.
Man, this ain't no. Man, this ain't no goddamn hype. This is a prank.
You think I really unplug your game?
Turning off Runiktv PS5 a prank.
Son,
man, get your dumb ass on,
son,
man.
It just came out. I had to annoy you.
Man,
and you don't get off the game. I clearly had to do it because it would show you buku signs of angry emotions.
Bruh.
Come on, son. You can admit you clearly reacted out of
you
anger.
Goddamn peasant.
Son, look.
This is what you do, you peasant.
You acting like I really did that just because I'm a hateful guy.
You really turn my game off like that, dog.
Son,
real talk, man.
Son, but I ain't hating on you. Son, you better.
This man gonna turn my game off, man.
Son,
real talk,
why is you telling your girlfriend? Son, why is you telling your...
Thank you.
You gonna sit there and do it and let that man
she's
do that?
Glad.
Girl, I don't like you being on that game anyway. I don't care.
Don't this man be on the game 24/7?
Everybody finna get kicked out, man.
Mexican clearly losing
real
his
talk.
mind.
I'm finna replace everybody with somebody new off the top.
Son, all right, my
you already replaced me with that game. Stop playing.
I'm finna replace you with somebody else.
I'm glad you unplugged.
Yeah, I'm telling you, had
somebody else.
Look though, son.
I'm talking about, you know.
Boy, get out of your friend's clothes.
But I understand. No.
Say, why you exposing me like that?
Man, because this is too big for you.
All right, clearly you under my clothes. So what you saying?
Yeah.
But your dusty feet ass.
Boy, you don't get your dusty. Boy,
yeah, you don't get your
they don't play with me. For real, don't do that.
But look though, basically what you saying is, I often unplug your game and you showed angry emotions.
You childish, man.
Real talk, bro. But look though.
So look what?
But look though, this is all I got to say. We got that boy with another banger. Let's be honest. I'm clearly a dog with a prank.
Clearly stupid.
I just clearly pranked that boy Rooney, clearly in a graceful, amazing fashion. Let's be honest. I'm not a good guy. I clearly pranked that man. But look, if you made it this far, hold your arm up like a grown man or woman. I'm so raw with it after I pranked that boy. He clearly behind the camera holding that for me while I'm doing it. Yeah, that's how you go. Man, look. Hey, like, comment, subscribe. I'm knowing y'all thought I forgot just because I hit that bit. No, hold your arm up like a little grown man or woman if you made it this far, like Dwayne The Rock Johnson in a little muscular fashion. You know the vibe. You know the vibe. Muscular fashion, Dwayne The Rock. But look though, if you enjoyed the video, like, comment, subscribe. I'm out.